The scale of this project involves over 750 5x5 and 5x10 slabs totaling over 37,000 square feet of Neolith. It is an all-natural, man-made slab format product that defies some of the challenges that are normally associated with natural stone, such as granite, marble, etc.
We are an exterior cladding specialist, and we were involved in all of the exterior cladding for this project. The sintered stone is one of the best products that I've ever seen. For a typical project, this is very, very much more elaborate. This project utilized the Ceramitex and Neolith product almost exclusively throughout the entire building. This project is rather unique in that it was designed almost as in a commercial way, but still takes on the warmth of what a beautiful modern contemporary home would be. For this project, it was about 21,000 square feet of the Neolith product on our Ceramitex attachment system. Some of the great features of Neolith is that it is very large format, but also extremely strong and durable at a very thin panel. So it is tag resistant, scratch resistant, and very high impact resistant. And another really neat thing about it is that it's so strong that when we cut it, we can create very complex angles.
When first introduced to sintered stone, I did see it as the product of the future. I believed in it from right away. I think it's here to stay, and that it takes tile to the next generation. Working with the products of Neolith, the end advantage is really to the end user. They have a floor that's going to be there for decades. They have wall cladding that will be virtually non-pervious. They have outdoor applications that will withstand Mother Nature. And we're proud to have been able to supply the product on this project. This project has Neolith installed on virtually 100% of the floors, and every washroom, many corridors, and also full height through the stairwell, 3 floors high. The artist's workmanship is impeccable. She's been able to match the graining, texture of all the inside corners, the vertical striations as well as the cross striations of the strata argenta.
They asked me to finish all the edges in practically whole house, in all the rooms.
Conceptually, the building is a series of stacked rectangular volumes. What we wanted to do was to embed the lower one into the landscape, into the ground plane, and then there's an elevated one or suspended one above it, which meant that the middle living space got to occupy that ground plane in the elevated position. The client also made it very clear from the project start that it wants a maintenance-free project, and Neolith made a significant contribution towards achieving this difficult task. Neolith also played a pivotal role in achieving the seamless continuation of materiality, allowing the connection between the inside and outside through its highly versatile product application methods. Most important characteristics of the Neolith surfaces are the high quality of the textured finishes, the durability and the low maintenance. Another very bonus was the seamless installation systems and the highly adaptability and the flexibility of the various application methods that we were able to achieve with the project. It's a subtle representation of the exterior with a strategic balance of light and dark.